You guys, I made a huge mistake this month. I was on vacation when the Ipsy window opened up to customize my icon box. Yeah, you won't believe this, but I forgot to customize. I didn't choose any of the items in my icon box for May, and I'm so nervous. So I have my icon box in, and we're gonna open it up, but I don't know what's in here. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today, like I said, we are opening up my icon box. This is the box that is presented by Ipsy. It is a quarterly subscription and it is an upgrade to your existing subscription with Ipsy. You have to purchase the Ipsy Glam Bag or the BoxyCharm box first, and then you are allowed to upgrade to the icon box. Now the icon box is one of my favorite boxes because I do feel like you get better products inside of it. They are all beauty products, they are full-sized items, but I strongly recommend you customize your box when the window opens up, which is usually the 1st or the 3rd of each month. If you do not customize, you are running the risk of receiving several items that you do not like. So that's what I'm nervous about today. But like I said, I've not opened this yet. You can actually see the seal has not even been broken on here. It's still sealed up at the moment. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna find out what happens. I'm so nervous. Well, let's take a peek in here. Like, is this good? I don't even know. Everything's upside down. I don't know. And the featured icon for May is Patrick Starr. Now, I did know that he was going to be the curator for this box, so I would expect to see a lot of products from his beauty line. Now, he owns the beauty line called One Size, which I believe you can also purchase at Sephora. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a lot of products in this box because of that, which is great. I would like to try a lot of products out from him. So, oh, that's good. There is some good stuff in here. Kinship is in here too. Kosas. Vacation baby oil. There's some good stuff in here, you guys. Buy Roa's in your caviar. There were some good choices this month. All right, so let's just dive in, you guys, and see what we have. So I'm going to start with the first item that I have. On top, this is from Benefit Cosmetics, and it's called the Professional Tight and Toned. This is a pore refining toning foam. So that's unique. So Benefit Cosmetics makes a really great primer and it's called the Professional Primer. But this is an actual foam that's designed to tighten and tone your skin, which is very different. So I've never used this, I didn't even know they had this product, to be honest with you guys. But this is what it looks like here. And then it's got your dispenser up at the top. And it says that it will refine the look of your pores instantly and over time. There are AHAs inside of this to help exfoliate your skin. You want to do 1 to 2 pumps per day and then use this after you've cleansed. So you're going to follow up after you've cleansed with this product. I like it. Honestly, for the first product in here, I will try this. I didn't know they had it, but I like AHAs. I like that it's a foam. Usually that's really soft and gentle on my skin. So this seems like a good one. Wow, you know what I just realized? Look at all of the crystals on Patrick Starr. I just glanced over on this newspaper, like, how much does that all weigh? Like, that has got to be heavy. Next item that I have is from One Size. This is the Fantasize Ultimate Lifting Lengthening Mascara. So we have the full-size mascara. Are those emojis? I just saw it. You know what? Here, when I'm looking at it, I don't see it, but underneath the camera light, those are emojis. Oh, I love it. So this is in the shade Bodacious Black. I love that. Ah, you guys, look, there's another emoji right on top. I know, I'm so easily intrigued, but it's cute. So this is what the mascara tube will look like. And like I said, it's going to be a black mascara. Now, I've not tried this mascara at all. I've seen it in stores. Wow, it is bodacious, isn't it? That is a thick one. Okay, so far so good, you guys. Like, I'm not freaking out yet. Next item is from Saturday Skin. This is the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Haven't we had this already before? Actually, my better question is, wasn't this in the Point store? Like, I thought Ipsy had this in the store and you could redeem it for, like, I don't know, 1,800 points or something. Did I do that? Or is this my item? Okay, I'm gonna have to check that. But this is the next item that I see in my box. I'm not quite sure yet if I got this as part of the icon box or if I redeemed points for it. But I'm pretty sure we had this Pretty Pop Probiotic Power before. It just sounds so familiar. So this one is a moisturizer and it does have probiotics inside of this. It is a soft whipped cream formula, but it is full size. Great brand. But now I'm questioning it and I can't remember. So you guys let me know, was this a choice item or not? Next up, I do have Huda Beauty in here. I love Huda's products. So this is the Micro Shade Brow Pencil. We have it in the shade Light Brown. I like it. Okay, at least I can count on this with the icon box. The brand names are typically on point. So I'm glad that that's the saving grace. You know what I mean? Like, even for not customizing, I like this. So this is pretty good. So this is what the brow pencil will look like. And on one end, you're gonna have your spoolie. And then on the other end, we're going to have our pencil. If I can get this lid back on. Wait, why is this not going on? What? Come on now. How does that fit? Like, you came off of there just fine and now, oh, there we go. Okay. Apparently you got to be smarter than the lid on that. Man, I really struggled there. This is our dark brown pencil then. I will say it's not too dark. Next up, I have another product from One Size. This is the Eye Popper Sparkle Vision Eyeshadow. So it looks like we have a liquid eyeshadow maybe? Now the shade up here is called Let's Pump and it's number 5. I really like the names on all of these products. They're very funny. Ooh, that's beautiful. So this is the packaging like this, and then here's our shimmer eyeshadow. That is gorgeous. Okay, let me look at this here, and we're gonna do a swatch, but I like what I see. This is actually a very soft, subtle liquid shadow. So it's very smoky, and you definitely get that glitter, but it's not intense. I feel like Stila makes really intense liquid eyeshadows with full-on glitter in them. This is not as strong as that. So I kind of like it for something different. It's kind of right in the middle, but it's definitely got kind of that gunmetal vibe to it. I have the tiniest little eye cream from Fenty Beauty. This is called Thick and Smooth, and it's a rich peptide eye cream. Look at how itty bitty it is though, you guys. 15 mil. And I'm sure, I know this is full size, but it's just cute and tiny and adorable. And it's gonna be fine, but I just think it's so stinking cute. I mean, look at this. So this is our peptide eye cream. It will give you hydration, but also take down fine lines, wrinkles, things like that. Oh, this is nice. You actually get your little squeeze up here at the top that it will give you the exact amount that you need. Ooh, I got the new company in here. This is their, oh, it's a perfume. Oh my gosh, thank goodness Ipsy went off of my style quiz because I have perfume set really high on there. I will take this. So this is my next item. It's called Relax. It's the Water Therapy Perfume from the new company. This fragrance is designed to help you to de-stress and unwind using their patented technology. The fragrance is sandalwood, seawood, sage, and fir. Ooh. So I'm definitely gonna see like ocean vibes is what I'm, oh, it's blue too. This is pretty, but it does give me a masculine vibe on here, but okay. So 30 mil, 1 ounce is what I have on this fragrance. Oh yeah, it's good. It's definitely giving me kind of that ocean sea salt vibe though. It is really nice though. Okay, all right, Ipsy. I'm pleasantly surprised right now, you guys. Like, seriously, you have no idea. When I realized that the window had closed and I had not customized, I was like, great. There goes everything. Like, I just knew it was not a good sign. But this is pleasantly really good. Next item inside of my box is from One Size again. I like that we have a lot of his products. I really do. So this is the Cheek Clapper. Like a butt? I mean, what? This is the 3D Blush Trio. Clap your cheeks with 3 versatile textures and an expressive monochromatic color family to achieve a blurring 3D blush effect. Each formula can be worn alone or layered for a touch of blush for a full burst of color. The possibilities are endless. Set your tone your way. Oh, so there's a cream, a matte, and then a sheen. And you can layer all of these, or you can do them individually as well. That's fun. So there's actually directions on the back here of like the way that he intended it to be done, but the name is definitely interesting. Here's what the packaging looks like. Very unique. Okay, I mean, I like that it stands out. It's a little bit different. So let's go ahead and take a peek here. How do I open this? Oh, like that. Okay. Oh, I like it a lot. So we've got our cream. Then I can see the base, and then we've got that shimmer right over top. So this is our cream up here at the top of this one. It actually has a little door that swivels open up here. So that way your cream will be safe. Oops, there's the actual film for the mirror. Now let me show you what that looks like. So this is the cream up at the top. Then we have a powder blush in the center, and then this is the shimmer down below. You can kind of see that shimmer there. So you could highlight with this if you wanted to. You could do a gorgeous blush to highlight look here and sweep that up. Like they said, you could layer this. I love this. Honestly, this is my favorite item in the box. Last item inside of our box today is from Fresh, and this is the Rose Deep Hydration Facial Cream. This is our full-size product. So Fresh is a great brand, very bougie. This cream will give you hydration, but it is gonna have that rose scent to it. Sometimes I like the rose scent and sometimes I don't. It depends on how strong it is, but this is what it will look like. It's a really large glass jar, but this is deep hydration, it says. Oh, that might be too strong for me. And then it says it's a strengthening, hydrating ingredient from Rose Valley, Bulgaria. Oh, that's cool. But whenever it's deep hydration, sometimes that's too strong for me. I have very oily skin by nature, and I can't go with strong deep hydration, or I just get super oily. Like, it's a slip and slide mess. But this does seem like a really nice brand. I know it's bougie. I'm sure this is a really expensive product. Which reminds me, because that is everything inside of my box today, not only do I get the icon box, but I get the Beauty Boost. So something here was a Beauty Boost product as well, and that's where I will pay an additional $15 a month to get one extra product. I would bet, I don't know if they would put one size in the Beauty Boost category. I wouldn't think it would be any of those products. I would assume either the Nuco fragrance is the Beauty Boost or the Fresh product. One of these two, I'm assuming I paid $15 for and then got it as my Beauty Boost product. But I'm okay with it. Honestly, this is really good. Like, I'm so relieved, you guys. I mean, hallelujah. I got a good box here. And look it, I didn't customize this and I got a good box. Actually, I feel like that says something for Ipsy. I honestly think that's amazing, because I'm not unhappy with anything. I will try all of this. The only thing I'm questioning is this Saturday Skin, because I feel like we've already had this before, but honestly, I love my box. I like that there's a lot of products in here from one size as well, because I haven't really got to try that brand a whole lot, so I like that they're there. This is really good. I am so happy. I'm so darn relieved too. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you think of my icon box today, and let me know if you guys got yours in. Did we get any of the same products? You might be able to help me fill in the gaps a little bit, like that Saturday Skin product, not sure about, but overall, I'm very pleased with this box. I do recommend it. So if you guys are interested in purchasing anything from Ipsy, I've got that link listed down below as well. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!